Nowadays, artificial intelligence can do almost anything for you. Draw, write books, compose music, and much more. But what if I told you that AI can also help you make money? With the AI-powered Scorpio TradeBot, I turned just $50 into over $200,000 in a month by trading on Pocket Option. The results are truly incredible. Pocket Option can literally become your own money printing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading completely for free and achieve similar results. You'll see how everything works in real market conditions. So where do we begin? Go to the Scorpio TradeBot, click on the link, and open a new Pocket Option account. Then, top it up for at least $50 using any payment method you want, and you can start earning. Today we have a new update. You may notice that there is a rating from 1 to 5 stars. This is the strength of the signal, as well as the recommendation of the deal amount as a percentage of your balance. This data is based on an analysis of a set of statistical measurements. Follow the recommendations from the bot and trade more wisely by choosing the deal amount offered in the signal. Also last week, we released an update with new currency pairs. We advise you to watch it and try them out. In order not to miss new videos and stay tuned on updates, subscribe and click the bell.